Alright, so as promised, sorry about all the noise along a nice busy street. So that's my header that I had installed. I doubled up with the metal gaskets back here. I had this all installed by the Muffler Works, and you'll probably want to see the tailpipe there, cruise back under, and like so. So that is what I had done with this monster of a Trooper. Now I would start it up, but I'm on a hill. I don't trust my brake. So that's for another time. Hope you enjoyed. For my sweet Trooper.